Why do we fast? When anyone asks us, why do you do this? Something in Islam that Allah wants us to do. The answer is, Allah said so. Allah said so. And then He will show me the reasons. Stay away from this argument. Why? Why did He do that? Why did He want me to do that? That's lack of etiquette with Allah. I did it because the one who gave me everything, the one who created me, the one who still gives me, the one who is very merciful with me, said so. Basically, I fast Ramadan because I want to obey Him. And number two, it is a mean to purify the soul, tazkiyatun nafs. Because the more I am in control, I control my nafs and my desires, it will become much more purified. Not everything my nafs want, I'll give it. And that's what happens in Ramadan, in this 16 or 18 hours. I'm hungry. My nafs, my soul saying, please, I need to eat. And you say, no, it's the day of Ramadan. I'm thirsty, I need to drink. No, it's the day of Ramadan. The more I say no to myself, the stronger I am, the more purified I am. So when the temptation comes in to disobey Allah later, I am stronger to say no. It's a way or a mean to attain taqwa. What is taqwa? Allah conscious. And this is a beautiful concept. It teaches me, fasting teaches me when I am alone, outside Ramadan, to remember that Allah is watching me and He's seeing what I am doing and He is hearing what I am saying, and that's taqwa. Sawm, fasting, get me there. Because what is the reason I am not eating or drinking when I am alone? Because I know He sees me and I know He watches me. And for 30 days, if I can do this, inshallah, ya Rabbi, when I leave Ramadan, I got to this feeling that Allah is watching me. And fasting in general teach me less attachment. If I have it, alhamdulillah. If I don't have it, alhamdulillah. I stayed 16 hours with no food and drink. I can stay with less this or less that. And of course, the last thing which we all say, fasting, hunger actually reminds me. When I'm sure everybody had this experience, when you went to this supermarket and you find the shelves are empty. And then you really needed, for example, that thing. And that thing is not available. What was the feeling? Now look at the feeling if it was available, but I cannot have it. I can't buy it. I don't have the means. It teaches me less attached and makes me feel with the other people who, for us, alhamdulillah, everything is available and we can buy. A lot of people, it's either not available or it is available, but they cannot have it.